So Shawn, what are we doing here?
We are about to attach a spoon head to the handle, and we do that by silver soldering. It's really an enjoyable process. It's very time consuming. You're kind of coming in at the very end after I've done all the prep and after I've done all the shaping and molding to make the two pieces fit to one another. So here we go.
Safety first.
And there we have it.
So what just happened?
So we just connected the two pieces in one seamless connection. Probably have black stuff on me. And if you come really close, you can actually see the connection point. It's completely clean. And when it gets buffed out, it will look like this over here.
That's really cool. So there was a lot of work that went into it before the magic that we just saw,
Yeah,
right?
there's a lot. We go from just a plain steel rod like this, and we're repurposing these spoons from India that come like this. So we take these off, and then we basically just this, and then we shape it into a shape like this.
Uh-huh.
And then we have our spoon head, and we solder it here. And every one of these is different. So thanks guys for making me have to literally sculpt every one of these into a different shape to fit a different one. I couldn't make a jig and just have make 30 of them or however many. I had to do one by one, but that's a fun experience. Yeah.
Cool. So we're making these prototypes for our benefactors and for having on hand until we get our final product in.
That's right.
Thanks Kickstarter, thanks backers, thanks benefactors. Hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek at the process of making a prototype.
High five.